these three candles down here, this is called morning star doji, and it's a reversal pattern that usually says it's some kind of bottom. It's not some kind of bottom, but it's a reversal pattern. So you go down and you see this is some kind of reversal pattern. So I'm gonna show you how bullish this actually is. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? But before we start, as always, you know, good coins versus bad coins, what's good, what's not. Right now, you know, Harmony 1 is pumping, Phantom is pumping. There are some other coins that are pumping as well. Not Solana, but you know, soon. But if you know, want to know what's gonna pump, not what's pumping, but what's gonna pump, you know, maybe you wanna consider Patreon, because you know, we check the coins, we look what's good, what's not, you know, trading setups and stuff like that. So if that's your thing, you know, you might want to check it out. That said, let's see what actually, you know, Solana is doing. So this down here, let me start by saying this down here, it's a reversal pattern. So when you have a big red candle, and then after that you have a doji candle. Okay, you have a doji candle, and doesn't matter if it's green or red, it really doesn't matter. And after that you have a big green candle. So you got a red candle, doji, doesn't matter the color, and then you have a big green candle. This pattern over here is called morning star doji. On the other way, if you have on the upside, you have a big green candle, you have the doji, and you have a big red candle. This is called evening star doji. So it's usually happens somewhere out the top, right? So these are reversal patterns. By this is a candlestick chart pattern. This is a reversal pattern. It's a very bullish pattern. Sorry about that. It's a very bullish pattern, and it's right now breaking the 10 moving average on the daily time frame. Not only that, what we're gonna show when we go down to the 4-hourly time frame, we're gonna see that we are bullish, guys. We are bullish. We are getting there right now. And look at this, guys. This is the first step towards the upside. This is the first step towards the upside, and it is gonna go hard. This is gonna go hard. I'm gonna show you right now. So you see this candle up here, you see this green candle. We went back above. This is the 200 moving average, this is 10 moving average. So we went up to the resistance. Right now, you know, opened above the 10 moving average. You can see opened above the red line, and then continue going up. We are having traced a little bit, you know, but we still gotta get above that, you know. But first step is done. We are above the white line. The 200 moving, getting back above 200 moving average is also important, but you know, I think right now it's more important to get above the small moving averages, and then climb the 10 moving average and get above all of these moving averages at once, because right now all of these moving averages, you know, confluated over here. So right now we're gonna pump above these moving averages, and we're gonna continue towards the upside. So this looks ready, it's getting ready to go. And not only that, if you zoom up here, you'll see that this level up here, this level, exactly this level, is being broken with prior 4-hourly candle. So prior 4-hourly candle did pump this really hard, and it's enough to show us a reversal in the trend. So the trend was actually going down here, because you see high, lower high, and right now we're getting higher high. So the trend is being broken with this this move in the last 4-hourly candle, and that's a very good thing for Solana. That's a very thing. It's a small thing. It's on 4-hourly time frame, but it's a very big thing. And you can see also here on the 1-hourly time frame how this looks, that you know, you just pumped all the way up to the last resistance, and right now having a little bit pullback to this 200 moving average, and maybe you're gonna eventually, you know, break everything, continue going towards the upside. But it does look like this is coming to end, and this trend, let me draw the trend. This short-term trend, this is a short-term trend, it is broken right now. We also have a, you know, long-term trend, but this short-term trend right now, this part down here is broken. So this bottom right now, I think it's finished, and right now it's, you know, it's gonna climb higher. So I think, you know, it's done with the pullback. You know, everybody was super excited when this was going up, and you know, it took a while to get down here. It took a while. I understand it took a while, but right now we are breaking towards the upside, and it does look very bullish. It does look like this is coming towards then, and you know, the big move, of course, is going to come after we get above 173, above this level up here. That's when you kind of escape everything, go above all-time high and everything. But right now we are getting ready. Now the reason we are not pumping like crazy like Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is right now up at 3%, if I look right, and Solana is also 3.5%, so it's all give or take the same, because we are not in all season. Right now it's Bitcoin season, and in Bitcoin season Bitcoin pumps more than altcoins. It kind of, you know, all the money is in Bitcoin, but eventually you know, all season takes over and pumps, and I think, you know, that time will come, but it's not time right now. So I think, you know, this trend up here is also getting broken, the bigger trend. down here. Let's see if it's getting broken. Yeah, it is getting broken. You can see here. So right now we are breaking even the speaker. Maybe the speaker trend should be drawn something like down here. Nah, it's give or take. I think it's this one up here. Maybe not. Maybe something like this. Maybe this. Maybe here. Maybe here. Maybe it really doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter. The thing is, even this biggest one. No, actually, the biggest one is up there. The biggest one is up there. So let's give him a little bit more room to get up out of this triangle that's doing right now. This is a short-term triangle. So let's give him a little bit more room to get out of the triangle. But I already think that it's a good way to actually break out. And once it's broken, this bigger, you know, because short-term trend is broken. Shorter trend is broken, but this longer term trend, you know, it's gonna be broken eventually, and it's gonna get up, and it's gonna go above 173 and so forth, so forth. So it does look bullish. And this the most important thing is this on the daily, this morning star doji, that's a reversal pattern. So I don't know if you're gonna pump today to 173, but you know, eventually, you know, you will get towards the upside, and you know, you will start climbing. It will be looking good. So I have no problems with Solana. It hit some kind of bottom. I know a lot of people are saying that it's done and everything, and it's actually good. You know, you want people to feel it's done, because then it's when it's pumped, right? When nobody's looking at it, that's when it pumps. You know, that's the kind of thing. And that goes with a lot of altcoins. You know, when altcoins you know, are boring, they're, you know, in the red and stuff like that, some kind of, nobody's looking at them. But we on the Patreon, we are looking at the altcoins. So if you want to know good versus bad coins, check out the Patreon. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel on the shebang. See you guys. Bye bye.